Hello to all of you again. What a time we've had.
Indeed. Here at the Danish Baking Show, we want to show you one last very special baking recipe. To celebrate the new Umbraco 9 update, we are going to bake an Umbraco 9 cake. The color of the cake will of course be our Umbraco signature blue. To do that, we need this blue dye.
To get the blue dye, you must jump on your bike and head to the local supermarket to find it. You'll hand over money to the cashier in order to take it home with you, then jump on your bike, ride back home and mix it with some glaze.
And now you have the most important ingredients to make this masterpiece of a cake.
Other ingredients are flour, chocolate, strawberry, blueberry, grapes and lots of sugar, which you can all find in the local supermarket. But Bjarke, that's not our signature Umbraco blue.
Oh, Elitsa, you know what happens when you coat or bake? Not everything goes according to plan. But as long as the end result is amazing, we're all happy. I think I will have a bite. It's gorgeous.
That's it, folks. Enjoy the rest of Codegarden and, of course, your Umbraco 9 cake.